Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today's video we will discuss about len, char, round and floor functions. So what is len function? The len function is the formula in Excel returns the number of characters in a given cell. For example, if cell A1 contains the text like hello world, the formula, then we will write len A1, then the return will be 11. The syntax of len will be len bracket start text and then bracket close. And second function is char function. In char function in Excel is also known as a character function in Excel. It is because it identifies the character based on the number or integer which is accepted by the computer language. For example, the character A, the number is 65. So we use is equal to char bracket start 64 bracket close. We will get A, the uppercase of A. So the syntax of char will be char ASCII code bracket close. So as you get, the len function is used for the length of the character. If we want the character length, we will use len function. But if we get the hash code, we know the hash code of particular word, so we use char function. Like if we write char 65, so we will get the answer of A. Like that, there are other hash codes which we define in next Excel. Like here are char of 0 to 127, and every code has a unique answer. So if we write is equal to char and bracket under bracket we will write any numerical value, we will get the answer like this in this return. So for example, here we have an Excel and this is a text. So if we want len function and get the length of the correct length in this cell, so we will write the equal sign len tab, then it is syntax shows the len bracket and text. So only we will select the text and enter. So it will give the answer of 33. But in 33 it is included the spaces also in this answer. So there are 33 characters in which include the spaces also. In the case of char, we use SS code this. Like this, we write 68 already. So if we calculate is equal to char and select 68, so answer will be D. If you want to check that 68 is equal to D is correct, so we will go to this and we will find out the 68. This is 68 and the char, that SO code is D. So answer is correct. We will use len and char function under this. Next is round and a floor. What is round function? The round function rounds the number to a specific number of digits. For example, if number is 6.7845 and if we write only required 2 digits after the decimal, so the answer will be 6.78 because we mentioned there is 2 digits should be there. Okay. In second case, if we use -2, then the answer will be decimal 7800, because we write there -2, so it included the 00 in the case of 4 5. And the syntax of round is round bracket start number comma num digit bracket close. Num digit is 2 or -2, it is a num digit. Second is floor function. The floor function in the Excel is used to round a specific number down to the nearest multiple of a specified significance. The number you want to round, that is uses, and significance is the multiple to which you wish to the round the number. For example, floor 232 and the multiple of 3. So to get the multiple of 3, that is 231, that is the nearest number which is multiplied by the 3. In the second case, there is a minus number and the minus multiple. So -7.8 comma -2, the answer will be -6, because it shows the largest value which will be deducted by the which will be multiplied by -2, that is -6. So we use the same thing in Excel format, like there is 6.78946. If we use round function, in this case, and then number, we select the cell, comma number of digit is suppose 3, so answer will be 6.789. In the second place is a floor function. If we write floor, then select this number, that is 236, then comma significance. So if it's significance of 236 comma 2, answer will be 236, because it is multiplied easily by the 2. But if we change the value, multiply amount to 3, so answer will be 234, which will be multiplied by 3 easily. In the second case, if we select round function of this minus comma -2 or -3, answer will be 0. So in this case, we write -2, that will be 0. In the same case, if we write round bracket comma then -2, it will be 200, because it converted the 36 into 00, that is 200, which is easily multiplied by 2, and this is the largest value which is multiplied by 2 easily. Then second is in the floor case, floor, then number, then significance -2. Answer will be showing the wrong. If we write flow function, then select text comma -3, there will be num function, because it is already shows that both numbers should be minus. So if we write this in a minus context, then the answer will be 234, which will be easily changed, and in the all cases it has been changed now. Got it? So this is the round function and floor function, and uppercase, that is a len function and character function. So now you know how these functions are applicable in Excel and how we can get the answer on the basis of these functions. So hope this video is valuable for you for data clearing, and you resolve the data clearing issues like these easily and without any error. We will coming in next video in next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.